babies here.
Why can't you give me a little of your money?
Hey, niggas. Ice.
At the top there. At the top.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
No, I know these things, man. Hey. Hi.
Open the press the first button.
This is the tie.
Yes.
Black Sabbath arrived.
Hi.
You might as well buy the whole complex.
We are coming. Ha ha ha. This is greatness.
This is good.
None shall pass. Yo. So you guys should get twin babies so I can sit in the bed.
No, it's not time for babies.
No, get twin babies.
We won't make money.
Yeah, I won't make money with babies. Ne?
True.
Guys, this is wonderful.
I fuck what the hater says. Aye.
This is wonderful.
Wonderful name.
Aye.
I'm giving you all the eyes. This white.
Yo.
They'll be saying these guys are corrupt and what and what.
Yeah, we know. We've already been there. We were called them Ace Makashule sons. We've been there. We know them now.
Making all you.
They're no longer warriors. They were calling us the Ace Makashule sons. Wanya wanya.
Fine.
Hey, telling us that we were looting the money. Yeah, it's only good when. Aye, guys, aye. This is how 1.8 million looks like in real life, guys. It looks like this. 1.8 million looks like this. Have you ever seen?
The blue one. It went home. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It went home. PTA.
That's nice.
Yeah, we took it home, that one. We were test driving that one, seeing how
I'm
nice
from
it
there.
is.
That's why.
Then we decided we wanted this one.
Yeah, man, this is nice.
Yo.
Hey, hey. If you hating, you just need some puss. She fucked up when she gave me some puss.
The color is called light black.
Yeah, light black, ne?
Light black.
Dog,
Light black. Yo, it's great.
Tippy, how did you get inside? How did you
go with the S first.
You get in with an S. Let's see. Let's see. Why? Let's see. Why? You put your S inside. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Can you open one more time? There's a thing about this guy, man.
Okay.
Every time you have to have the big steppers.
Oh, big. Oh, Kasi. Nah. You know, yeah, go back. They should see the shoes. They should see the shoes. Come out nice. Yeah.
You must check.
Yeah, you're coming out nice. Yeah! Yay! Yeah, yes, sir. FS code. Yes, sir. Okay, I want to end.
Yeah. FS, remember.
Prepare myself.
Prepare yourself, man.
Guys, I'm about to enter.
Hey. Black is the
So
man.
where's my ass? Okay.
There.
Then you-
Just like that. And you eat. Oh, let's do this for you.
Then you swerve.
Since this is the malume, guys,
Oh,
you're gonna
since
have to
I'm
do this.
pleased, ne?
But you're gonna have to remove your legs there.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I should go back.
Yeah,
yes.
wait.
So that I will feel.
Wait, now let's start again.
Okay,
Let's restart. Guys, let me hide this thing. You moved it to the back. Don't have to know, I will show you. Let's start one more time.
I'm ready, guys.
It's ready, guys.
Yeah.
Cover the proper
4,
entry.
3,
Yes, sir.
2.
The malums.
The legs outside.
Yes, but more in one direction.
More like in that.
Yeah, but put that side.
The S phase, that's
Yeah.
the move part.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
you hold on.
Yeah. And then you slide in.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Let's go to this
Ain't
thing.
no motherfucking
You can
movie.
go to this thing.
That's the Jack, listen, man, that's the only way they can enter, right?
Oh, that's
If there's somebody here, you want them to enter, they can be here. You must put the guest on E, and then she puts the S on me.
the proper entrance. Oh. So that you see the S of the beach. She must put an S there.
I have fits. Aye, man. Aye, they can fuck with us. Aye, they can't. Aye, Jaguar, do you still remember? They can fuck with you, man. You see? They can. They can.
They can't fuck with Jaguar, guys. Guys, I'm taking an I-8 for a spin. Okay, Sharp. I wanna move this seat front. Oh, you just press the button, guys. Technology. Then you press the handbrake. Then where do you put the keys? You don't put the keys anywhere, guys. Guys, you can't put the keys anywhere.
On now.
Then it's on.
And then now, before you move, you must press this. And
You go to drive, ne?
Yeah.
Here's power. Oh, let me go smooth.
I'll show you something. Just open the window there. Just
Okay, sure.
That's it. Yeah.
Yo, dog. Emmanuel, I'm driving an i8. Emmanuel.
Go this direction. Give the man the phone. Give them the phone. Malum's in a motherfucking building. You know how it's going. You know how it is. Shit, my nigga. Goddamn, my nigga. Woo. Yo, yeah, man, this thing's making my Mercedes look like it's in. This thing is fat, man. Fat. Yo. Goddamn, baby. TP, let's hear it. Let's hear it. Relax, Nyana. Woo! Woo! It's too much, guys. This is too much. Hey! My faith. My faith is too much. Yeah, we have the first baby, man. When we are bought, you see. Hey, this is the first baby, man. Number 7 is coming, man. Number 7 is coming. Yo! This thing is fast. You! Where them niggas at? Where the motherfucking niggas at? Yo, the white people are hating me. Hey, white niggas are hating you. Hey! Yarr! Jesus! Shit! It's too much, man. Yo!
Please save that life. That life is. you go out.
I'm still here, man. I'm still here. I put the gas on me. She put her ass on me. Goddamn, nigga. Goddamn. Shit. I knew one, but you can see, man. New model. They're crying. Shit. 2M on the motherfucker. Let's get it. Jesus. I guess this thing is fat, man. I don't know, it's fat. It's like I wanna sleep inside it. Yo, dog. Yo. It's too much. Yo, this thing is fat, guys. Look at the Mercedes. It looks thin. You see, it looks thin. This one is fat. It's fat, you can see, man. Fat. Muskon. The color is light black. This is not the normal black. It's not the normal one. It's light black, my nigga. Woo! Goddamn, baby. It's a coupe. 2M on the motherfucker. You know how it's. You know how we coming in. You know how we stepping. You know how we stepping, my nigga. Yo. Butterfly doors, my nigga. Suicide doors, my nigga. Death doors, my nigga. Yo. Aye. Fat as a bee. Yo. Shit. It's too much. Niggas are punching the air, man. Yeah, they're punching the air right now.
You go. It's now your turn.
It's okay.
It's home. Yeah. It's home. Yo! FX go to the motherfucking building, yes sir! Yeah. Yes sir! My man at the entrance. Andy the mustn't just enter. No. Let's teach him how to enter.
Yeah, man, I
go outside.
Taking this shit to my place. Niggas I enter with the I8, man. And then
can you drive with these clappies? Yay. Don't do mistakes here. Yay.
No mistakes.
Let's go. I'm the most expert driver.
Hush.
need weed, man.
Yeah, I have weed in my house.
We need weed now. It's time.
Yeah, I'm gonna smoke
The
now.
goat must graze.
Must graze.
Yeah.
And bless the car.
Goddamn.
Hey, boy.
It's too much.
Oh, I see the pipe, ne? Okay, I see the pipe.
Yeah, man, it flies, yo.
But it flies. I was driving it now. Yeah, it's faster than M4
Because
now.
the new thing is it can raise.
Yeah, this thing can race. You can put it on race.
It's on standard. 4
On
seconds,
stand,
100.
yeah, you can do
On
that.
standard.
Yeah.
Standard. You put on sports mode and you gone.
Sharp timers. Aish.
The reason it's a scam. This thing,
There is a front camera, dog. It goes in front.
it can go 100 in 2 seconds if you want.
102 seconds.
You can do whatever. It's a head. It's a brain. You tell it whatever it must do.
Oh,
It does
dog.
4 wheels, everything. It listens.
Yo, dog.
Everything. And it's a cool.
Ah, it's down already.
Latest.
Go. Go. Nothing will happen.
I don't never.
I'm live. You're gonna see my live video. Andile Coach Shezi driving an i8. Yes, sir.
You know what's going on?
What's Gucci, my brother?
Nigga, take you
My
home.
brother, what's Gucci? Aye. Ha. I the power in the shit. Oh. I'm a hot man and it's funny, my hot man. Nah, it's funny. I have this gold,
2 cars,
man.
1 man.
2 cars, 1 man. Can't fuck with us.
Yeah. You can't fuck with us.
Guys, I was the one who was driving. I was the drivist.
The
Featuring Emmanuel Forex.
Malum's level. Level.
So much, man.
That's too much, man.
Oh.
Hey, the white niggas.
They don't have a choice. They
There was a
should.
nigga who came, you should buy the whole complex. Then.
Oh, you had him. No, you should buy the whole complex. You had him.
You should buy it.
Eh.
We should own River Spirit. When you
We
boss,
can.
kick you out.
Anyway, we
If you
can.
complain, we kick you out.
You know,
of
the
this
only first people gonna kick the security guys.
Yeah, we start with
Those
them.
ones. Kick out. And hire the white people. Hey, there's Andy.
Oh, man.
Just that. Yes, sir. You can't fuck with the code. Other kids are at work. You guys are doing this. Go trade that steak.
Niggas increasing lot size now.
It's important. Hey, yeah, you can't fuck with
I
the
think we're
gold.
tripping. I moved from 0.10 to lot size 1.
To lot size. We think we're tripping.
Hey.
We're not tripping.
Do you know how long it takes before you can increase
Yo,
lot size?
dog, hey,
You know what it
hey. You don't just increase the lot
just
size.
increase
Hey.
They must agree.
They must agree.
make sense.
Numbers must know.
Balance. We used
Exactly.
to do the balance sheet. Now we're
Yo,
balancing this shit.
yo,
my nigga.
dog, it's important. It's cardinal. It's essential. It's crucial.
Fight hard.
It's vital.
Hey. Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hi, guys. I did the test driving. How will it be like when you guys go into PTA? Yo. When you guys get home. You can't be tripping on this, man. Can't be tripping on this. Niggas, TP, niggas better increase the lot size. I'm telling you.
Now we know.
Niggas better increase the lot size.
Now we know. Niggas like, no cap. Let me give them. Guys, this car hard. No cap. I just went through some shit right now. You feel me? I just pressed the shit out of
Niggas better
it.
increase the lot size. You know what I mean?
Hey, lot size.
Lot size.
It's important.
Lot size.
But you must balance, guys. Don't rush.
Yeah, don't rush. Yeah.
When you have the right
account,
account, increase lot size.
Yeah.
It doesn't just happen.
You can't just be increasing the lot size. Aye.
It feels unreal when you say it's like.
Dog, it feels unreal. Boy, the choice you made, it's too much. Evers,
What ambitious?
we come in.
Well ambitious.
Yeah, we are in a relationship. Hey. Let me write it for you. I know it by head, by heart.
I don't know how.
Hold on this.
You disappoint me.
Okay, yeah.
Man, it's excitement. You understand?
We are here.
Sure.
You know, you don't even know what brings you, man. Goodbye, niggas. You should thank me for showing you this experience. You should thank me. Should thank me, motherfuckers. Showing you this shit.
The baby's now pet next to our pet baby. It's supposed to be.
Yo, Dad.
Who's calling?
I don't want to.
You already know what's going on. You already know what's going on.
Aye, he wants to come here. Aye, hey.
Because you already took a picture.
Aye, hey, fuck him, hey. Hey, fuck him. We don't want you. Niggas who stand with other niggas things. Fuck you. Don't want it. Okay, goodbye, niggas. Niggas better increase the lot size. Omari Chag, the Omari JJ, the nigga from the village. The only quarter is Jaguar. Malume Forex. This is just a 7.5 and my C3 clip. C3 clipper. C3 clipper. This is just a 7.5 and my C3 clip. I'm using the loot. Malume Forex.
Jaguar, can you please come here? Jaguar, didn't you send you the picture? Let me show you what happens.
Let me see.
So basically.